I'm going to read English newspaper. President Murmu to lead celebrations marking 75 years of Constitution. President Draupadi Murmu will lead the celebrations at the Central Hall of the Old Parliament Complex on November 26 to mark 75 years of India's constitution. The government announced on Monday Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla will take part in Tuesday's function in the Central Hall of Samvidhan Sadan to mark the 75th anniversary of the Constituent Assembly's adoption of the Constitution. Leaders of various opposition parties of the India bloc have returned to Lok Sabha. Speaker Om Birla urging him to allow leaders of the opposition in both houses to speak during the Constitution Day celebrations function. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju said Prime Minister Narendra Modi will not be addressing the event and accused some of the opposition parties of giving reactions without knowing the actual arrangement. The Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs made the remarks during a pre-event briefing here in response to a query on leaders of various India bloc parties having returned to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to allow opposition leaders of both houses to speak during the Constitution Day function after a presentation by Union Culture Secretary Arnis Chawla Riju and Union Ministers Arjun Ram Meghwal and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat interacted with the media persons at the National Media Center. The problem with some of the opposition parties is that without knowing the actual arrangement, they started giving reactions. The Prime Minister is not even speaking tomorrow in the function. The Speaker, the Vice President, and the President of India will speak, he said. Secondly, we have made sitting arrangements. For the leader of opposition of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha on the days without knowing anything. This kind of reaction on a very solemn occasion is condemnable, Riju said. The Union Minister also said that the Constitution Day celebration was about politics and is a celebration of the country on the occasion of the 75 years of India's constitution. We are getting an opportunity to take part in the celebrations at Parliament complex. Tomorrow will be the address of the President. There will be a joint sitting of the members of both houses. It will be a celebration of 75 years of the adoption of India's Constitution in Delhi and many other events will be held in various parts of the country too. He said we will sit in the very same chamber where the Constituent Assembly sittings happened and the constitution was adopted. Riju added, He termed the event a historic occasion. I believe that it is not just an event of the judiciary, executive, and legislative wings. Entire country has to take part in these celebrations in full spirit and read the preamble. Riju said. The minister extolled the constitution and said it gave rise to a successful and vibrant democracy, and the credit goes to the founding father, the makers of the Indian Constitution. He added the letter written to the Lok Sabha Speaker, which had been signed by leaders of various parties, reads: We are writing in the context of the function being held tomorrow Tuesday in the Central Hall of Samvidhan Sadan to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution of India. We understand that the function will be addressed by the President, Vice President, and the Prime Minister of India. We believe that in the best traditions and interests of parliamentary democracy, the leaders of opposition in both houses should also be given an opportunity to speak on this historic occasion. It added. The signatories to the letter include T.R. Balu, Tiruchi Siva, Kanimoji, Supriya Sule, Raghav Chadda, P. Santosh Kumar, E.T. Mohammad, Basir Ki, Radhakrishnan, Ramji Lal, Suman, and N.K. Premchandran. As regards celebrations, a special website has also been created to mark the year-long celebrations. Union Culture Secretary Arunish Chawla told reporters during a briefing at the National Media Center here the commemorative portal urges people to read the preamble of the Constitution, record a video, and upload it on the website to get a certificate. Mass readings of the preamble will also be held at schools across the country. Chawla said to mark the occasion, the government will release a commemorative coin and stamp. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.